Welcome to PayrollPanda. In this guide, we'll walk you through the key steps to complete your onboarding and get payroll ready. To start, sign up for PayrollPanda to begin setting up your payroll account. Create your new account by filling in your full name and account credentials. Then, enter in your main company details. This also helps us tailor PayrollPanda to your business. With the initial setup complete, you will be brought to your dashboard where you can click Get Started. You can enjoy advanced payroll features at no cost for free during your trial period. Click Continue to start setting up payroll effortlessly. Head to the top right corner to view your onboarding progress. The built-in checklist guides you through every step so you can get set up confidently. Each section gives you a clear overview of what needs to be completed, so you always know what's left to set up. Start by clicking the first onboarding step. The first thing to set up is your company profile, which includes contact information and your primary address. Following that, select your entity type from the drop-down to specify company classification. Lastly, add your company registration number. This is your official business registration used for payroll and statutory records. Next up, your statutory information is important for accurate and compliant payroll. Enter your C number, E number, and EPF number to enable accurate tax and contribution calculations in PayrollPanda. Don't forget to enter your SOXO and Zakat numbers. These allow PayrollPanda to calculate and manage Social Security and Zakat deductions accurately for eligible employees. To complete your statutory setup, PayrollPanda automatically selects the correct HRDF levy percentage for you, ensuring accurate calculations with no manual configuration required. The final step to your company profile are bank details. Enter in your company's bank details, which will be used to generate salary payments and statutory contribution files. With your company profile done, you can now define your work schedule so PayrollPanda can automatically calculate pay, overtime, and leave based on your working hours. Go ahead and name your schedule. Select your specific working days and configure your working hours. To stay organized as your team grows, create locations, positions, and departments for easier filtering and management. Or you can choose to add them later. Create payroll policies to customize how pay and deductions are calculated for your team. Select the policy type and name your policy to begin. Under Calculation Basis, you can set up your calculation rules and how payroll runs. Simply define how salary is prorated, how overtime is calculated, and how unpaid leave and leave pay are handled. To add employees, click Add Employee manually to enter employee information one at a time. You will need to input all information pertaining to an employee, such as their personal information, contact information, and payment details. For a quicker approach, you can click on Bulk Import from CSV to import all your employees in one go. Click on the Download Sheet button to get the employee import template. Fill in the downloaded template sheet with all employee information and upload it back as a CSV file. After a successful upload, your employees are instantly added to PayrollPanda, saving you hours of manual setup. All your imported employee details will appear here. You can review them or make any changes if needed. To wrap up your onboarding, click Book Now and schedule a personalized demo with our expert, who will walk you through your setup and answer any questions. And that's it, your account is all set up. You're ready to start running fast and accurate payroll with PayrollPanda. With your setup complete, payroll is now easier than ever. Check out our tutorials or help center to keep learning and unlock more features.